morning, it's Renee with Bench-Mark. What I'd like to show you on this sunny January morning is how to calibrate the digital bubble with FieldGenius for the E600 receiver. So all you got to do is you go into the wrench button, and then you go under Sensor, Configure, and then you hit the electronic bubble, and immediately you'll see what your bubble looks like in relation to your bullseye bubble. Make sure you level your bullseye bubble dead on. Using a bipod is a good idea. So I got it the way I like it, just about. And then I will go and say calibrate tilt sensor and start calibration. It's a 5-second process. I'm checking my bubble on my bullseye. I like it. 20% complete. 60, 80, done. I hit OK, and now I can see that my electronic bubble is dead in the middle, just like the one on my bullseye bubble. That's how you calculate. That's how you calibrate the electronic bubble on your FieldGenius screen. If you have any more questions, please visit us on our YouTube channel or give us a call. We're more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Have a great day.